Hello po, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. At nandito ako ngayon sa Porac, Pampanga. So, meron pong akong iba-vlog ngayon na house model. Ang pangalan niya ay Athens house model. 2-story, single detached, 4 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath. So, yun po, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, nasa corner lot po siya. So, marami pong mga available dito. Yan, gagaya niyan, ng mga lote na kung gusto nyong itayo pa ang inyong property, available po ito. Mamimili lang kayo ng lot kung gusto nyo nasa inner or corner lot na kagaya po ito. Marami po siyang available. Yan, kung gusto nyo po mas malaki pa ang cut ng lot. Pero ang ano po niya, starting price is nasa 9.5 million, no? Mas mababa ito kaysa dun sa Atlanta na na-vlog ko nung nakaraan. So, ito po ay 9.5, yung Atlanta po ay 10 million. Pero it depends naman kung ano po magustuhan nyo. Kasi po yung Atlanta ay meron po siyang dalawang parking, no? Sa carport area. So, ito kung makapasin nyo, nasa isang parkingan lang yan. Isang sasakyan lang po ang kasya dyan. Dun sa Atlanta po, pwede po ang dalawang sasakyan. So, it depends kung anong model ang magustuhan. At kasi po ito, medyo mababa po ang presyo niya kaysa sa Atlanta. So, yun po, no? So, ang lot area po niya is, initial lot area is 168 square meter. So, pwede nyo po siyang dagdagan pa, no? Gusto nyo palaki ng lot. Tapos, ang floor area po niya ay 176.62 ang kanya pong floor area. So, yan po. So, before ko po ipapakita sa inyo yung loob at labas nitong Athens house model, meron lang po akong video presentation na ipa-flash ngayon pagkatapos po nito. At least magkaroon po kayo ng idea sa project pong ito o sa subdivision pong ito na The Arcadia dito po sa Porac, Pampanga. At least magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung ano po yung mga nearby na establishment. So yun po, no? Ipa-flash ko na po ngayon. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Countryside living like no other. Homeowners have been leaning towards this desire to escape the city's hustle and bustle. They are in search of communities that will provide the serenity of a rural home yet still want the comfort that urban living has to offer. Known for its premier tourist destinations and fast-emerging business hubs and infrastructure, Pampanga serves as Central Luzon's gateway to modern convenience. Nestled in the heart of Pampanga, the Arcadia in Porac is SunTrust's first residential development in the province. With numerous nearby destinations that cater to your business, education, and leisure needs, this master-planned community is ready to be Pampanga's home of the future.
Actually, Pampanga has always been a place where SunTrust has its eyes on, but who doesn't want to build in the culinary capital of Northern Luzon? Well, nowadays, of course, homeowners are looking for perfect location, flexibility in terms of terms, and also space. And in 2020, we got this property in Porac, Pampanga, right in the border of Angeles City. So it was really perfect in terms of location and, of course, its proximity to Clark Airport.
Strategically set in barangays Manibaog and Paralaya in Porac, the Arcadia is a 22-hectare development that is envisioned to redefine countryside living by adjoining it to Pampanga's most sought-after urban destinations.
Our target market, of course, are starting families who would like to move to Pampanga or in the working outside of the city, and of course the local community who would like to build a new place in a secured and safe environment that is also near the urban places of work and also institutions like schools and hospitals. Safety and security has always been a key in buying a home, and in the Arcadia, this is always provided. You have 24/7 roving guards, CCTV cameras located in strategic locations along the community, and of course a secured perimeter wall all around the subdivision.
The The Arcadia is a residential development that offers the luxury of countryside living through its modern contemporary homes and amenities. This master plan community is designed with shared spaces to encourage lasting friendships and quality time with family. With a vast allocated space for its central amenity area, residents will have the grand experience of enjoying the outdoors.
The Arcadia is defined as a place of quiet and simple living. In the Greek era, it's always defined as a place where artists, poets would go to be inspired. And this is the key that we wanted to do in our development. In the Arcadia by SunTrust, we are developing a place that will be a peaceful, a quiet, a perfect abode for future families. In the Arcadia, there are two places. We have Arcadia East and Arcadia West. In Arcadia East, you will see two-story single detached units, around 150 to 200 square meters in lot area. In Arcadia West, we have a more affordable priced homes where we have single attached two-story units and of course townhouse two-story units also.
Future residents will marvel at the luxurious and pristine countryside living through its modern contemporary homes and resort-inspired amenities that will surely suit your lifestyle.
In the Arcadia, you have a 1-hectare central amenity that will house a multi-purpose clubhouse, pocket gardens, a giant play area for kids, and of course, even a wedding gazebo. Aside from that, we have a separate area that's dedicated for a swimming complex that will house a lap pool, a children's play pool, surrounded by cabanas, and also changing rooms for male and female. Aside from that, the Arcadia is surrounded by pocket parks where families will enjoy, and each area has access to Angeles City through the Mega Dike Road. You go to Clark through the Esitex Porac exit, and also even if you're from San Fernando, you can access through the Mega Dike Extension Road stretching from San Fernando up to Porac. Living in Porac, Pampanga gives you access to a lot of nature parks, botanical gardens, hot springs, hikeable mountains, and future ecotourism sites. I would like to invite our future home buyers to invest in the Arcadia, where you can enjoy countryside living like no other.
Through contemporary homes and modern amenities located in a peaceful neighborhood, waking up in the rustic charm of the countryside while fulfilling your urban dream is now a reality. Before we end, of course, we would like to thank the world-class showroom of Kenneth Cobonque for having us for today's episode. And we hope to see you again next time for more design, inspiration, and valuable insights on living life the modern living way.
So, i-check po natin yung labas po na, no? Yung surroundings nitong house model na Athens. So, tara po. Yan. Ito yung pinaka, harap na Athens model. So, kung mapapansin po ninyo, ito po yung pinaka-carport niya. Kasya po dyan ang isang sasakyan. Yan. Tapos, nakalagay po siya, no? Yung model na to, sa corner lot. Yan. Usually, pag corner lot, malaki pa po yung espasyo ng lupa eh. So, marami po kayong may lalagay. So, kung babakuran nyo yung gilid, pwede pa po kayo magtayo dyan ng another na kwarto or pwedeng lagyan ho ng swimming pool. Maliit lang na swimming pool. Pwede rin sigurong lagyan pa ng laundry, no? Laundry area. So ito yung pinaka side, no, ng property. So ito yung pinaka parking niya. Mahaba pala siya, guys, no? Actually, pwede pa rito ang dalawang sasakyan. Yan, kasi mahaba siya eh. Hanggang doon pa yan sa labas. So kasya pala rito ang dalawang sasakyan. Padiretso nga lang. Tapos mayroon siyang pintuan papasok sa loob. Yan, pag corner kasi malaki yung lote. So dito sa likod, check natin. Yan. Ito yung pinakalikod niya. So malaki pa rin ang espasyo. Yan. So, check naman dito sa other side. Pag sa lote kasi, ang pinaka dulo niyan ito eh. Sa dulo na ito. Dito kayo magbabakod. So, kung diyan ang pinaka-start, malaki pa po ang espasyo. Laki pa ng espasyo. Marami pang may lalagay. Pwede pang mag-garden. Ayan. So, tara po. Pasok naman tayo sa loob. So, check po natin yung loob, no? Ayan. So, sa bungad agad, mapapansin po ninyo, nandito nakalagay yung dito sa left side, yung pinaka-living area niya. Ayan. Ito yung living area. Magkabilaan, meron siyang window. Ayan. So, ito po ay model house, guys, no? Kaya mapapansin nyo, meron na siyang gamit. Pero sa actual turnover, imagine niyo lang na wala siyang kasangkapan. At saka na-upgrade po ito, guys. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung pinakataas po niya, no? Plain ano po lang yan, isang diretso lang siya. Ito kasi may design na eh. May design na siya. Yan. Pero kung itatayo yung property nyo, na for example, ganitong house model, pwede nyo naman siyang paggayahan yung design. Yan. Siguro ano lang yan, magdadagdag na lang kayo add-ons. Tapos dito sa kabila, mayroong window din. Sliding window na kita agad yung sa carport. Makikita yung sasakyan pag pinarking dyan. Ayan. Tapos dito pwedeng paglagyan ng split type na aircon. Tapos dito naman sa kabila, meron na other na sliding window ulit, no? Dalawang sliding window yung magkatabi. Ayan, makikita niyo yung sasakyan ninyo. So dito naman sa left side, kung mapapansin po ninyo, ito po yung pinaka toilet. Wala nga lang siyang bath. Pinaka CR lang po ito. Ayan. Tapos dito, lagyan ng design na glass dito sa side. Yan. Pero sa actual turnover, wala po yan. Tapos dito tayo, papasok na tayo sa pinaka dining area. Yan. Yan yung dining area niya. Once again, kung mapapansin nyo, na meron na siyang mga gamit or kasangkapan, hindi ko siya include sa in-offer. Pero, tsaka yung design. Pero kung gusto nyo ng ganitong style, pwede naman paggayahan ito. Yan. Katabi ho nyo yung sa kitchen area. Meron siyang cabinet, no? Built-in cabinet sa baba. So ito yung sa sink area. Ayan, pati sa taas meron din siyang cabinet din. Meron siyang lagayin para sa rep. Tapos dito naman sa labas, papalabas tayo. May pintuan siya, no? Ayan. So umulan na nga lang, no? Lakas ng ulan. Kanina wala pang ulan eh. Mukhang shower of blessing. Ibig sabihin nun, kapag napanood nyo ito, guys, kukuha na kayo ng property sa akin kasi umulan. Lumakas yung ulan. Yan. So dito naman, meron siyang study room, no? Pero pwede rin itong gawing bedroom dito sa ground floor. Yan. Ginawa nilang design lang to para sa study room. Tapos meron pala rito another na toilet. Yan. May include na siya ng bath. Kasi meron na siyang shower. Oh. Yan, may shower. May tulugan na rin pala dyan. Tapos may cabinet, between cabinet sa baba. Tapos side to side na bintana. So, try natin ito. Kasi may another na pinto rito. Ayan. Ito yung labas. Papunta sa carport. Mahaba pala yung carport niya, no? Sa kasya ang dalawang sasakyan. Ayan. So, akit naman tayo sa second floor para magka-idea kayo, guys. At ako rin pala. So, check na po natin yung second floor, guys. Yan. Ayun po, pinakataas yung ceiling niya. Iba yung design dito naman. Ito sa second floor. Yung sa bungad, ito yung agad yung pinaka-family na family area. Yan. Tapos sa right side, ito siguro yung master's bedroom. Ito nga. Yung dalawang kama. Meron pang upuan na kama yun ah. Tapos ito yung pinaka-cabinet niya. Yan. Tapos pag diniretso po natin, meron po siyang sliding door. Dito. Yung sliding door niya. Para sa balcony. Yan. So, check natin tong sa pinto. Punta sa balcony. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-balcony niya. PL type din yung balcony. So, ayan yung mga flat na pagtatayuan pa. So, pag diniretso natin to, meron pa siyang dalawang kwarto, no? Ito sa left side, ito yung pinaka sa hallway. Meron siyang CR din. Yan. Ito yung shower. Meron siyang exhaust, no? Tapos bintana dun. Yan. Tapos bungad. Magkaharapan lang sila ng isa pang kwarto. Dito nilagay yung cabinet. Kaharap lang yung CR. Tapos dito sa right side, malaki rin to ah. Parang ito yata yung master's bedroom o dalawang master's bedroom. Laki kasi meron ditong lagayan sa built-in cabinet. Tapos dito yung CR. Ayan. Tapos may shower. Okay ang design. Dalawang malaking kwarto. Dalawang master's bedroom. Isa rito, saka isa sa dulo. Yung diretso papunta sa balcony. Ito yun. Ayan o, dalawang malaki. Tapos doon sa kabila. Ito nga lang wala CR pero diretso sa balcony. Ito namang isa. Malaking kwarto rin to pero meron siyang sariling comfort room. Meron siyang sariling CR. Tapos meron pang lagayan sa built-in cabinet. Ayan. Oh, shower. So yun po, no, maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood at tumatangkilik ng aking channel. Please don't forget lang po to like and subscribe my channel para po mas lalo pang mag-grow at mas lalo pang lumaki ang aking channel at inyo na rin po ang matulungan. Huwag nyo lang pong skip yung yung ads para magkaroon ng earning. Don't skip yung mga advertising. So yun po, maraming salamat sa inyo. Nasaan man kayo naroon, saan man sulok ng mundo, always keep safe and God bless to everyone. Kung gusto nyo pong malaman ang details at yung price po nito, please click lang po yung description box down below. Makikita nyo po yung detalye at yung sample computation nitong house model na akin pong ino-offer sa inyo. Yun po, maraming salamat po sa inyo and God bless to everyone.